Official school forms, every Deped teacher should know. Pursuant to Deped Order No. 58, Series of 2017. Every teacher is required to submit their reports throughout the school year. These reports include most of the data related to the school and students, such as SF1 to SF10, class records, and other documents. Therefore, the Department of Education officially released these Deped school forms templates to help the teachers easily consolidate the data for the whole school year. There are lots of school forms, and each of them has a purpose. The following are the list of school forms every Deped teacher should know. SF1, or the School Register. It is considered as master list of class enrollment. To be prepared by the class advisor. Mode of preparation, generated from Learner Information System or LIS, beginning of school year, and as needed. SF2, or it is the learner's daily class attendance. Description, a form used to record attendance, absence, or tardiness of learners, template with name of learners, to be prepared by the class advisor. Mode of preparation is generated partially from Learner Information System or LIS, and manual daily. The SF2, or Automated School Form 2, is a daily attendance report for the learner. With just a few clicks, you can calculate a total number of school days, absences, enrollment, attendance, and other necessary information. SF3, or books issued and returned. Description, it's the list of books, by title, issued to, or returned by learners. To be prepared by the class advisor. Mode of preparation is generated partially from Learner Information System or LIS, and manual beginning of school year, and end of school year. SF4, or the Summary Enrollment and Movement of Learners. Description, a form used for enrollment count, transferred in /out and dropout by grade level, or the summary of SF2. To be prepared by the school head. Mode of preparation, it is generated partially from Learner Information System or LIS, and manual monthly. SF5, or the Report on Promotion. List of promoted or retained by class advisor. Description, list of promoted or retained by class. To be prepared by the class advisor. Mode of preparation, partially through LIS and manual end of the school year. SF6, or Summary Report on Promotion. Description, number of promoted and retained by grade level, or the summary of SF5, to be prepared by the school head. Mode of preparation, partially through Learner Information System or LIS, and manual, end of school year. SF7, or Inventory of School Personnel. Description, list of school personnel with basic profile and teaching load or assignment. To be prepared by the school head. Mode of preparation, manual, originally designed in Human Resource Information System. SF8, or Learner Basic Health Profile. Description, per learner assessment of body mass index. To be prepared by the class advisor and MAPE teachers. Mode of preparation is generated from Learner Information System or LIS, beginning of school year and manual end of school year. School Form 9 or SF9. Progress Report Card is what we formerly known as Form 138. Description, individual academic, behavioral and attendance report by quarter. To be prepared by the class advisor. Mode of preparation, manual quarterly. School Form 10, or SF10. The learner's permanent academic record. School Form 10 or learner's permanent academic record is what we formerly known as Form 137. To be prepared by the class advisor. Mode of preparation, end of school year or as needed. E-class record. The Department of Education or Deped provides electronic class record or ECR templates free for use by all public school teachers. The templates allow for computation of grades consistent with Deped Order No. 8, Series of 2015, also known as the Policy Guidelines on Classroom Assessment for the K-12 Basic Education Program. To ensure sustainability and to minimize technical difficulty, the design templates were simplified using basic features used in a spreadsheet file. User manuals are also provided to guide teachers on how to use the ECR templates. Department of Education revises and updates each form from time to time. Teachers need to use latest forms. Electronic school forms are not to be sold in public school. Official school forms can be downloaded for free and are exclusively available for schools at the Learner Information System or LIS.